Hey, hello folks of YouTube. Welcome back to Rush Garage. Hey, here we got what I just did yesterday. I told you guys I was gonna show you some of the progress. So I just replaced the rocker on the driver's side of the 66 bus, and it's not completed. I still got to do a couple welds but I just wanted to show you that it turned out pretty nice. It's really straight. So I gotta clean the seam, and I still gotta do some welding front right in this area, get it all connected, and I gotta get it right here. Just get the seam nice and squared away. I gotta clean the spot welds on the bottom, and I gotta get this patch here welded back there. Let me flip it around so you can see the undercarriage side of the 66. Hold tight. Takes a second. Oh, let me show you. Let me show you this inside. There you go. This is the inside. I still gotta weld. The seam right here. Just a couple spot welds along the seam. That's how it came from the factory. So I just gotta do that. I still gotta do some spot welds on the pillars. A couple spot welds there. But all in all, it turned out pretty nice. I'm almost there. And let me flip it over so you can see the underside. Hold tight. Hold tight. Clear. Too long of a video because I want to try to keep them short and sweet. There you go. Okay. All right, here we go. And then this is the underside of the rocker. It's looking really good. Everything is welded how it's supposed, how it should. So I gotta finish this outrigger and the jack support, just like this one is right here. This outrigger and the jack support. And I gotta cut this out and replace it. Other than that, a couple spot welds here I gotta finish. I gotta finish this right here, welding it, seam seal this, and do this corner piece right there. And we're gonna move along after that. After that, we're gonna do the that side, the corner right there, this corner. So, all right, folks. Hey, don't forget to subscribe and like it and share it, please. I'm trying to see if I can get more people into my YouTube channel. You can always find me at Facebook at Rod's VW Garage. My community is pretty big, so it's getting bigger, and I put more. I do more of the updates there than in the YouTube, but I'll try to keep up with YouTube. Okay, all right, folks. I'll see you. Bye.